To your forecast, one being just the roller coaster in temperatures. It's a cooler start out there, but we also have some rain that could mix with snow on the horizon. So right now we are in the 20s across southeastern Michigan. Very light east southeasterly breeze factoring into wind chill readings in the teens in some spots, but 20-degree temperatures compared to where we were sitting in the upper 30s yesterday morning. As we map out the rest of your day, plan for sunshine at least through the morning, and then as we head in the afternoon, we'll get some clouds preceding some rain that's coming in out of the south. That rain arrives really late tonight, and so south of I-94, probably closer to 11 o'clock, and then after midnight as that pushes north for the rest of the folks. But we get into the low 40s this afternoon thanks to that sunshine. So we will be above average by about 10 degrees today. We'll be close to 40 tomorrow early, then sliding temperatures. So that rain could possibly mix with snow or maybe even deal with some freezing rain or sleet. And then we're struggling to hit 30 as we head into Saturday. So what dictates what kind of precipitation we get? Well, as you are looking at the cloud cover, any kind of precipitation is going to start as an ice crystal or snow. That melts in a deep layer of warmer air, and so that becomes rain as it hits the surface when those temperatures are above freezing. But it's not just the surface temperature that dictates what you see. So that snow can melt in an inversion where you have warmer air that is actually aloft and then the colder air at the surface. And then when you have that deep layer, that's when you see freezing rain because it's liquid precip for a longer time as it's falling down to the ground. When that inversion's pretty short, where it melts and then refreezes, that's when you see sleet. So those little pellets of ice, that's when you're going to get the sleet as opposed to freezing rain, which is liquid that then freezes on contact. Otherwise, when it is freezing from the cloud all the way down to the ground, well, that's when you see snow. That's a pretty easy forecast. But the forecast we're looking at is just a difference of a half of a degree to a